Today you will learn how you can send high quality videos and fix the low quality on WhatsApp. So if you're trying to send videos on WhatsApp and when you send them they are sending in low quality, what we can do to fix this is if we head over to our WhatsApp, and then what you want to do now is select settings in the bottom right hand corner, which will bring you over to this page. From here what we can then do is scroll down until you see the option for storage and data. Click on this option and then around the middle of the page you will now see an option for media quality. What we need to do is click on this. As you can see there is standard quality and HD quality. So standard quality is faster to send, it's smaller in file size, which means that it will be less quality. HD quality is slower to send, can be 6 times larger, but this means that obviously the video will be much higher quality when sending. So what we need to do is we just need to click on HD quality, and then once we do this, WhatsApp will then send that photo, video or any file that you send in the highest quality possible. So it's just that simple. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.